Welcome to Nundakshi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a whole wheat bread for you. Let's get started. Lukewarm water, sugar, active yeast, mix well to dissolve completely. Whole wheat flour, bread flour, salt, mix together. Add the liquid starter. Mix thoroughly. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Mix it by folding from 4 sides. Lift and slap several times. Let it rest again for 30 minutes. Once again, fold it from 4 directions and then lift it up and slap it. Let it rest for an hour and a half. Cut in half. Make dough ball by folding. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Spread out the dough, then roll it like I did. Let it rest for a while to get doubled in size. Make a surface scratch on the dough. Bake for 30 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see how it turned out. It's turned amazing. It's still sizzling. The aroma is also insane. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh bread. Thank you for watching and happy baking.